discuss geography, topic peninsular rivers. Today I will discuss river Narmada and river Tapi. These two rivers flows in westward direction and drains into the Arabian Sea, while most of the Indian rivers flows in southeast direction and flows and drains into the Bay of Bengal. The other difference is that these two rivers forms estuary at their mouth, while all the Indian rivers forms deltas at their mouth. The river Narmada rises from the Amarkantak hills of Madhya Pradesh. It flows in a rift valley. Rift Valley is a depression flanked by mountains or hills or plateaus from both sides. It is a geological process in which faulting took place. In fault, both sides of the land got elevated, while the middle part got subsidence. So subsided part is called Rift Valley. It is a depression, it is a deep. And so river Narmada flows in chartered course. It has very few tributaries. It flows in trellis drainage pattern. It flows through Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Most parts of Narmada is in Madhya Pradesh and only 1/10 of Narmada basin lies in Gujarat. The construction of Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada at the juncture of, at the boundary of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat makes it one of the most controversial dams in India. Environmentalists and social activists oppose the construction of Sardar Sarovar Dam because after the completion of this dam, a major part of tribal lands will got submerged. A large parts of forest areas also got submerged, and the local people have to out-migrate from this place for another place, and therefore personalities like Baba Amte, Arundhati Roy, Nana Patekar, Medha Patekar opposes this. So this is the main feature of river Narmada. The second is river Tapi. River Tapi rises from the Satpura range in Madhya Pradesh. It also flows parallel to the Narmada river and drains into the Arabian Sea. Both these rivers runs parallel to each other, and these two rivers flows in trellis drainage pattern. Narmada and Tapti makes estuary. All other rivers of India makes deltas. So what are estuaries and how are it different from deltas? The clear mouth of the river is called estuary, and the muddy mouth of the river is called delta. Delta region have most fertile alluvial khadar soils, so it is most important for agricultural activities, while estuary is famous for fishing because the river directly enters into the sea, and so there is no muddy mouth of the river. Narmada and Tapti river are best examples of estuary forming rivers, while Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri form deltas at their mouth. Thank you.